1, 2, 3.
Okay. Shall we go for your right foot behind?
$48, $49. Here or not, here I come. I love junk food.
Junk food is better than healthy.
Pizzas, hot dogs,
Lollipops. And I love
cookies, cheeseburgers,
And ice cream.
chocolate cake. What is great about Cookery School is that you have opportunities to actually cook. Now we have to get 4 pieces of butter and put it in the bowl. Flour in the bowl. Yes. Oh. Want to see me grade? Yes, please. This is the teaspoon, this is the dessert spoon, and this is the tablespoon. I'm not sure how to do it. Bad luck. Well, yeah, I'm making so many bubbles. And it smells like a part of a Christmas tree. Look at that! I made one big bubble. Me too. It tastes like delicious. Ray likes it. Do you like to cook?
Yes.